we are going to showcase you pCube, a homegrown, never before, zero cost automation solution. While these are the challenges that led to the birth of pCube, the root cause is AP team did not have any specialized or supporting solution other than ERP. Coming to the benefits, one that clearly stands out is savings of 0.75 FTE. pCube stands for Payables Power Pack that comes with multiple power packs like ACE, EASE, etc. Moving on to overview of pCube, vendors send their invoices, payment queries, etc. by mail to the generic mail ID of accounts payable team. EASE, which is one of the power packs of pCube, processes emails, downloads and saves attachments on the shared drive, assigns these emails to the individual team members. Smart helps individual team members to track the mails and invoices assigned to them and also provides single click access to the invoices. Vital helps to keep track of the grief invoices and send automatic notifications, reminders and escalations to the PICs and their leaders. This helps to churn out dashboards. Music, which is advanced version of Vital, has an additional functionality of preparing intercompany reconciliations. Reward circulates weekly vendor statements to vendors. ACE converts the consolidated bank statement into multiple employee expense books and distributes them to the credit card holders and sends reminders, notifications, escalations, etc. Given the paucity of time, we are in a position to demonstrate EASE and ACE only.
Today I'm going to show you how we use a tool that we call EASE. EASE stands for Extract, Assign and Sort Emails. Currently we have a centralized inbox for our accounts payable team that we refer to as track accounts. So EASE sorts all our mails that we receive from our suppliers. So you can see this morning here we've got 129 mails, and I'm going to show you how EASE sorts and distributes mails to our accounts payable team. This is the EASE tool. We can see here, so to sort the mails, it's really easy. We just select the Extract and Sort Emails button. Okay, so now we've extracted our mails from Microsoft Outlook. EASE gives us a message saying that 128 mails have been compiled and their attachments have been downloaded. For the 128 that we did sort, we can see that they've now been compiled down here in the corresponding folders. So the accounts payable team here work via letter sets. So each individual works on a different letter set. So if we have a look here, we can see that the EASE number has been assigned. So what EASE does is it gives each mail a unique identifier, and we refer to that as the EASE number. So when we go back to our EASE spreadsheet, we can see our EASE number here. So it's just being able to cross-reference and find a mail when we need it. EASE has the ability to open attachments from this tool, so we can do that simply by selecting up here, Open Attachment, and we're going to be able to see the invoice that the email came with. And that's a really handy feature. It all has the ability to read the mail in Excel format, and we can open the mail in Outlook. So here's the mail that we received from track accounts. Once again, you can see the EASE number up here that's been assigned to this individual mail. When Ease sorts the mail, it also saves the attachments. So anything here in the attachment file is normally an invoice, and Ease has the ability to save the invoice under a supplier code. So we can have a look here, the ones that we've just ran, and we can see that invoices here have been saved. This has saved the team a lot of time. Instead of individually saving an invoice, each time that they receive it into their inbox, Ease has already done it for them. So we can have a look here and we can see that there are folders for each one of our suppliers, and these codes correspond with their AX codes as well. So once again, super easy to find. Ease has had many benefits for the accounts payable team. We've had to, in the past, we've had to record each email that we've received or invoice that we've received into a spreadsheet manually, which took a team member about 3 hours a day. There's also benefits of being able to find emails easy. We also use the Ease number when we process the invoice in AX. So everything's cross-referenced, so we can see when an email's come in, which is valuable for our SOX compliance and our payment terms reporting, as well as being able to find the invoice or be able to track mails of any disputes that we do have with certain invoices. So that's Ease. I thank you for your time and letting me show you through our amazing email sorting tool. I hope you enjoyed the presentation.
I am excited to do a demonstration of an automation tool that we have been using for our credit card expenses, and we call it ACE, which basically stands for Anchor for Credit Card Expenses. So to start off, we pull out a text file from the ANZ portal each month, which basically looks like this. And ACE helps automatically populate all of these data that you see in here into individual credit card holders expense statement templates, which is this one here. So once we've pulled out the text file, we can now proceed to the actual ACE file, and then go to the statement tab and change the month into the relevant month. And then we click this button here, and it will ask us to select the text file that we've pulled out. And currently ACE is basically pulling out all the data from the text file and transferring all of those into the template. Back in the day before ACE, we've been doing this manually, which takes us a lot of time each month to prepare. So having ACE doing this automatically actually really helps a lot. It's done. Okay. Okay, once that's done, ACE would now, you could see that ACE have actually created a folder here, which has now got all the individual credit card holder statements ready for distribution. So let's pick one and see. So, okay, so see all this data in here. It's actually populated from the text file that you've seen earlier and we pulled out from ANZ, and it's got all the relevant details in here. And also ACE creates a summary of all the credit card expenses in this tab here, user input. You can see it in here with all the names of the employees, data, the total of each statement. Say for example, Aaron would have 9163,116 total, and Aaron would have that same one right here. Okay, so, and whilst majority of the columns are auto-populated by ACE, we do still need to update some of the columns that you see here before sending to the credit card holders. All right, so once all the columns are updated, we are now ready to send the emails and statements to the credit card holders. We do this by clicking this send mails and run jobs. So we do that one, click that. And again, before ACE happened, we actually have been sending all these emails individually to all of the credit card holders manually. So it takes so long for us to finish one job or this entire credit card distribution. But now with ACE, everything's just done in just a click. All right, so that's done. A notification will always come out and show the number of emails that has been sent. For in this case, there's only 10 emails sent because this is a demo version. So there's number of emails sent is lesser. So that actually 10 emails, we can verify that by going into the ACE mailbox sent items. You can see here, they're all in there. To show you one example of the email that ACE sends, let's pick one. So you can see here, all the data here for sent to Ken Brody and actually escalated to his supervisor. And you've got all this action required and all that stuff here. And then right above here is attached the same statement that ACE has created earlier for the credit card holders to action. Okay, so aside from monthly statements, monthly statement distributions, we also use ACE for sending follow-up or escalation emails for pending outstanding submissions on a weekly basis. And ACE actually uses this escalation matrix here that you can see. And it sends reminders to relevant individuals. This function actually helped us hugely to reduce our past dues by around 60%. And more importantly, ACE has saved us approximately 20 valuable man hours each month. So there you have it. Thank you for this opportunity to share with you this very useful and nifty tool.
Just to give you all a flavor of technology used for building these Power Apps, all we needed was Microsoft Excel. We did not spend any penny for software, server, hardware, license cost, etc. Most of the apps were built in less than a week's time. All of us have access to the most powerful tool called MS Excel, which can seamlessly work with other applications like Outlook, Share Drive, WhatsApp, Word, etc. Excel is not just for number crunching. It can also be used for powerful solutions as you have just noted. Make best use of it to solve the complex challenges facing us. To put it in Excel's language, if you use full powers of Excel, quality and efficiencies are assured. Else, errors and issues persist. To conclude, innovate and automate to accelerate and elevate. Thank you.